welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda, and I typically create things, but I'm just sharing some stuff with you guys today. In no way, shape, or form is this meant to brag or anything. I just got some stickers for my planner in the mail from Etsy, and I want to share them with you guys. So these are both bought during really big sales, so I just wanted to share. So the first one was from SaraElizabethPrints, and I have my Erin Condren here open for sizing. It is on December, but I have post-its on pretty much everything else. So it comes with this really pretty sticker on the back in a cardboard mailer. Alrighty. Sorry about the bag noise. So first up, we have a little thank you card. It says, you are one in a melon, and she just says thank you. This was the NPM sale, and her name is Juanita, and I love SaraElizabethPrints. So I love that she sends little cards. A lot of shops have gotten away from that. But we have a kit here, and this is the freebie, very 4th of July themed, or I guess Canada Day is that same week. So you could get away with using this for Canada Day too. Or if you just like red, white, and blue and barbecues, then you're good to go. So I bought this kit here, and it is called Liberty. And that is also my dog's name, so I had to have it. And I get all of her stickers on her high quality matte paper. So we've got a acoustic guitar, an Uncle Sam hat, balloons, Converse. These three girls here are just priceless. Some drinks and fireworks, a bikini, and a rocket popsicle. Here are the checklist boxes, the half boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers, and bill dues, headers and little things. I love the colors. So you have your traditional, like really red and navy, and then you have this light sky blue and a burgundy, which is just gorgeous. We have date covers and bottom washi. Icons galore, hydrate sticker, some appointment labels, flags, and checklist flags, glitter headers, and individual washi strips included. No additional purchase necessary. And then the last page is her functional and deco. So you have your weekend banner, a bunch of functional items here, and then you have deco that you can splatter into your spread. So that's everything I got from SaraElizabethPrints this time. And like I said, this was from the NPM sale, and you can see it's like, these are good size sheets. So I'm going to set that one to the side. Oops. That is some serious stick on that bag. Next up, I have a shop that I've never ordered from before. It's called abOrganizing, I believe. And she individually packages everything. And it came with this really big Happy Meal sticker on the back, and it is also in a cardboard mailer. Right into the bin. Okay. There is an invoice on here, so let me pull that off. Okay. So like I said, this is abOrganizing on Etsy. And she was just having a sale the weekend before NPM. But her prices are just outstanding. I mean, these are her regular prices. $5, $152, $2, and $6. Like, come on. That is amazing for stickers. So we'll start, as you can see, I have 3 individual packages here. We'll start with this first one, which I will be using. I don't know if you'll get this haul first or my June monthly spread first, but this is the kit that I'm using. Okay. So she has a little glitter quarter box here for you to pen test on. It feels like a really nice premium matte paper, and she included one of these in every one of the bags that I got. Here is her freebie. It's little girls doing various tasks. So that's really cute. Okay. So this strip of stickers here are like your full boxes. So you get 4 of those. And then here's the kit. It's June. It's very summery. The print quality is really good. The cuts seem to be fantastic. I mean, look at that little strip, that little travel strip. Yeah, see, the cuts are really, really nice. This is it's not like a, I would say it's like a papery premium. Not necessarily like a buttery, I don't know how to describe it. It's a very nice high quality paper. Here's your sidebar action, some headers, and then some more full boxes here. And then we have date dots, icons, bill dues, paydays, day offs, and everything like that. And then you have this entire sheet of quarter boxes. So I can actually mark everything in a monthly spread. We got a little bit of deco, a flag. Here's just a white flag. It's probably for like one of those full boxes if you wanted to use it. Some more travel strips, and then the little popsicles. So I'm very, very much looking forward to planning with this kit. I can't wait to get it in my planner. And yeah, it's not a typical matte. It's not like a matte, and it's not a super like unicorn buttery matte, but it's a really nice matte. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. That's so horrible. And each one of her kits came individually bagged with this little AB seal on it, which I personally like because I keep all my kits separated. I'll have to show you guys what I've been doing. I've been working on a new sticker organization system. It's going well so far. It's just like remembering to put everything back. Okay. So we have another pen test and another freebie. And then we have this mini weekly kit, and it is called Farmer's Market. It's freaking adorable. So first up we have the glitter headers, 4 colors, and then we have 4 additional full boxes with girls, any skin tone, hair color you need, and then a blank one here if you don't like fashion girls. And then this kit is so adorable. Look at that. It is so adorable. The double box, like when I think of Farmer's Market, like yes, this is what I think of. We got our strawberry jam, our honey, lavender, sunflowers, just if you were shopping, and then your bicycle, just adorable. There's your bottom washi with all your sunflowers, habit trackers, and individual washies. Sidebar stuff, some deco, checklists and icons, and then more of your girls that do things, and then half boxes, third boxes, appointment labels, and some various headers. So that is a very nice mini kit. Alright, and on to the last little bit of stickers here from abOrganizing. I'm really impressed with the shop. Like I said, this was my first order from her, but she had such a good deal that I couldn't pass it up. So maybe those were like discounted sale prices, like she did a sale in her shop, and then I think she allowed me to use an additional 10% off, I think is what it was. I don't know if it was a PR girl or like her Instagram, I'm not sure. So again, we got another pen test and another freebie here. And then I bought some essentials that I have been needing. So first up, I got these spring multicolor and habit trackers. Because I have glitter ones from SaraElizabethPrints, but sometimes they just don't go. So these are really nice, or if a mini kit only comes with one, it's nice to have a second one. So I really like these colors, and these kind of blend with what I normally use. And then I got the spring multicolor Monday through Sunday boxes I use to track my meals. I do find that I hunt these down regularly. And then weekend banners. And I got the winter multicolor because I don't know why, but I felt like I really like these colors. I'm weird like that, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul that I gave you. And I will have these 2 shops linked down below. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.